Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Today I'm gonna make dalgona coffee. It's trending worldwide these days and everyone is making a video about the recipe of dalgona coffee. So today I'm gonna make one and I'll share it with you guys. So we need 3 tablespoons of coffee. You can take any type of coffee, just make sure you're not buying the 3-in-1 instant coffee because that doesn't work. I tried it a couple of times and I failed. So make sure it's just a simple coffee because you need coffee beans, not the powder, because the powder includes milk and sugar, so that's not what we need for the recipe. Now I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of sugar. And 3 tablespoons of hot water. And now after adding everything, we're gonna whisk it. You can do it by your hand, but it's gonna take a lot of time, so I'm gonna use a machine for it. And we're gonna keep whisking it until we get the desired color. So now after a few minutes I got the desired result, and as you can see it's all fluffy and thick, and now I'm gonna add it in milk. And so now I will add ice and milk. Now I will add the coffee in the cup. As you can see, it's very fluffy, and you can add as much as you want. I like more, so that's why I added so much in it. Now I'll add coffee on it. You can use any powder you want. I like coffee a lot, so that's why I added this. You can use a cocoa powder or anything you like. That's all from my side, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're gonna make it, write in the comments how was it, and please like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel.